right there. Got some kind of a sweet lure in it. But I got this one here. It's the first night set. I set these yesterday. That one there is a wolf gland, Andy Weiser's wolf gland, and some of Andy's urine. It's been hard plowing the last 7 days. I've had 7 check days on this ranch. I got almost 3 dozen traps out, and I've only caught 2 coyotes. Most of my traps aren't even messed with, but last night, the full moon phase had passed a couple days ago, and it cooled off pretty good. And the humidity was down quite a lot. So this morning I was sitting on the back porch and I saw 2 coyotes and a bobcat about 350 to 450 yards out working the fields. And then today, just now, we roll up on this guy. It's a good spot. 2-track runs it right up the middle of this pasture. Real low area right here past these trees and this brush where a little creek runs through. Ranch house is back up there about a mile. And on the other side of here, about 400 yards away, there's a fence line that's got all the calves from the spring in it with their so it looks like they'll start moving. These aren't the last of the traps to check for the day, so we'll see if we have any more. Get this guy taken care of.